How's it going?
Our MacBook broke because of that sharp corner that you see on the edge. So it started out with just one line and then it just got worse and worse as we kind of started looking at it. Took it in the Apple Store. I'm here now at the Apple Store, and yeah, so as you can see, it's really messed up. So I think it's because someone pressed hard on the back there. See, it's just, here it goes. Yeah. More just barely touching it. Moving it up. And a little crack caused by that sharp.
Well, because of this little corner here. Cracked all the way up the screen.
Just split the entire screen in half. It's pretty. It's not covered under warranty, so there's nothing you can do about it but pay $450 to get it fixed. So, good luck.